Hey, it's Colton Armstrong here from REI9. If you're feeling overwhelmed, like you've been running in circles trying to get your first real estate deal, you're not alone. I hear this all the time. You've watched the videos, read the books, maybe even spent money on courses, but you still haven't been able to close that first deal. What you really need is someone to train you and a team to help you make it happen. That's exactly why I created the First Deal training program. This isn't just another information only course, it's hands on, real world training. Here, you're not on your own. You'll be working side by side with me and our team, learning step by step how to close deals in a live environment. We know starting out can feel impossible. You don't need an LLC, a huge budget, or a ton of fancy tools. In our program, we supply everything: contracts, automation software, marketing tools, even the websites and funnels. It's a full turnkey system designed to get you from where you are now to closing your first deal without the overwhelm. When you join, you'll get 15 hot PPC seller leads to start working on right away, plus cold calling leads and door knocking cards. And you don't have to stress about making this big upfront investment either. With our program, you can pay off your training once you close your first deal. This is how it works: you're covering the cost for generating the leads, and in return, we work those leads with you. We're not just telling you what to do, we're showing you how to do it. And the best part, you're part of a team. We'll teach you how to speak to sellers, structure creative deals, and negotiate confidently. It's real one on one training designed to turn your struggles into success. You've been running in circles long enough. This is your chance to join a team that's ready to help you learn and get that first deal. Imagine how it will feel to finally close that contract, to know that you have the skills and support to keep doing it again and again. This isn't just learning, it's doing. So if you're ready to go from overwhelmed to closing your first deal, let's do this together. Join the First Deal training program today at rei9.com and let's get you on the path to real estate success.